How to use Flux AI. So in this video, I will show you how to use Flux AI and I will also show you how to do this type of image. So if you want, you can head over and then go to your dashboard and you can see in here the image prompt. You can just type in here what you want to generate. For me, I'll head over and then generate a visual forest scene with a small cozy cabin surrounded by tall pine trees, and the cabin has a smoke coming from a chimney. So you can head over and then just put in here anything that you want to generate it, and then just choose in here the image ratio that you want, as well as the image model, as well as the image public. So from there, just click on this generate option right here, and then as you can see, this will load, and then this will prompt you to sign into this Flux Pro AI. I'll just head over and then sign up with my Google. Once you have signed in, you will go back to this page and then click on generate again. Then as you can see, this will load in order to create you the actual image that you're looking for. Now, as you can see, this will load, and as you can see, we have in here a peaceful forest with a cabin. So let's see what it looks like. And here it is right here. You can proceed to download it by using this particular button right here that allows you to download this particular image created from Flux AI. So that's how you use Flux AI. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.